Hey there everyone, Jared here with this week's JDS Insider, and today I'll be going over a few quick tips on improving your artwork for our sublimatable burlap product line. Tip number 1, be sure to keep the font at a medium stroke. Keeping it at a medium stroke will allow it to be much more visible versus a bold or thin font. Tip number 2, keep the details to a minimum and avoid lighter colors. Too much detail will get lost in the color and pattern of the product. You may be able to see the image from a distance, but close up, the artwork will get lost in the pattern. For more information, visit us online or give us a call at the number below. And now you know.